Welcome guys, welcome back to this channel. It's Ukome here once again. In this video, I'm going to be teaching us how to download the OBS software. First off, OBS is the open broadcast software which allows us to freely record our screens and also take along the audio input with it. This video will be followed by a series of videos on how to effectively use the OBS software, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to be sticking with how to download the software. So the first thing I'm going to do is to navigate to the browser. In this case, I'm going to be making use of Chrome. You can make use of any browser you have on your operating system. And so in the search bar, just tap OBS. And then the first result that comes out, then just click on it. And then you can see that the interface of the website welcomes us with the ability to choose which interface, which operating system we're working with. So either you're working with a Windows or a Mac OS or a Linux, you can select the operating system which you're working with. So in this case, I'm working with Windows, so I'm going to select Windows as my operating system. And so it's going to navigate me to another page, and on this page the prompt to download will just come automatically. So in case you did not receive this prompt, you can click on the download again icon that you can see here. And so in this case, I was already prompted to download, and then I'll just select where I want to store the download and then just click on save. I already have the software, so I'm not going to download it again. So once you are done with this, then you are good to go. You are good to start using your OBS software, and then that's all you need to know. And so if this video was helpful to you, I'd like you to give it a like and drop your comment in the comment section below. And also, as I've mentioned, that I'm going to be dropping series of videos on how to properly and effectively use this software. And so to get notified when I drop the video, I'd like you to subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon so you get notified. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.